Ever heard of local SEO and wondered what it's all about? Let's unravel the mystery together. In the vast world of SEO, there's a special corner dedicated to local businesses. That's what we call local SEO. Unlike traditional SEO, local SEO focuses specifically on improving local visibility within search engine results. So, if you have a brick-and-mortar store or service a specific area, local SEO is your best friend. It's not just about ranking high on search engines. It's about reaching the right audience, the locals. Local SEO ensures that when someone in your area searches for services you offer, you're right there on top. How does it work? Well, think about when you search, "coffee shop near me." That's local SEO in action. Local SEO relies heavily on location-based keywords, customer reviews, and local business directories. A well-optimized Google My Business profile is crucial. It's like your online business card for the local crowd. Moreover, the more positive reviews you have, the more trust you build within the local community. The beauty of local SEO is that it levels the playing field. Small businesses can compete with bigger chains in local search results. But, why is it so important? Simple. Most people search for local services online before making a decision. If they can't find you, they'll find your competitor. And you don't want that, do you? Implementing local SEO might seem daunting, but with the right tools and strategies, it becomes a game changer. To sum it up, local SEO is all about being visible and relevant to your local audience. In today's digital age, having a local presence online isn't just an option. It's a necessity. So, embrace local SEO and let your local business shine.